welcome to another Rolling Road video. It's just a bit of an obscure thing. This is a Wartburg 311, 1957 East German, front wheel drive, 900cc, 2-stroke. Let's have a look under the bonnet. So first thing to notice is the radiator is back here, with a fan blowing through it there, and there's like a, not really a distributor, but down the front there, that silver bit is a point setup, 3 sets of points, one for each cylinder, one coil for each cylinder, although they're in one box. A 30mm single carb, that's the air filter. I've changed the radiator for an MGB one. This is an alley radiator, and it uses the thermocyclic cooling mechanism where heat rises, and so the water circulates up to the top of the radiator. When it cools down, it comes into the bottom of the block. Just got this in because it's a bit of an odd thing, so I thought I'd do a quick video about it. 6-volt electrics. It's got this cooling grill at the front, which is how you control the water temperature in the engine. I don't know if you can see that, but you open it up if you want more airflow through to cool the engine. Yep. Column change. Let's give it a run on the dyno. It should be about 27 brake horsepower, which because this is reading at the wheels, we're going to expect to see 20, maybe 18. Right, let's get to it. So not that successful on power, seems to have an inertia of about 15 brake horsepower, but I think it's holding about 10, which is about the most I saw, which is probably maybe showing, or maybe producing 13 brake horsepower, maybe 14 at the flywheel. It does have quite a lot of piston slap. Let me just start it. bore to get rid of that piston slap, restore the compression, maybe get some power up. This is a very early one, so I think it should be around 25 horsepower. Later ones or later versions of this engine, this one's 900cc, I think they went to 1 litre, produced about 50 from the factory. That's it for this video.